Quanto un po' di base.
Is it up?
What is that? Von Budapest.
Wolltest du dir also Nachweis geholt? Die anstehen.
So das Netzwerk aber die Bedingungen
Ja, gemütlich.
I mean, because you like basically you're afraid.
Eat something and explore.
¿Le llaman la ayuda a mis padres? Yeah.
Yeah, like for Halloween, you just wanted to decorate.
I know. For Christmas, I haven't finished. We put up our tree.
One now, one in two, one in four.
Yeah, you can divide it.
Yeah, but I get maybe
That's quite big, right? You go inside? Was ist dein Fazit zur GDK-Party? War doch irgendwie Personal.
Nee, also die Location. Alle haben auch über das Spektrum im Raucherbereich, MCIT, alle.
She's definitely artistic.
Just diese ganze